Hello all. So today I'm talking about a 2003 Dodge with the 5.7 liter engine, what the fuel pump pressure should be, along with wiring diagrams, the fuse, the relay, pinouts, and some schematics. Let me show you everything going on with it. So first up is going to be the fuel pressure, and the rated fuel pressure is supposed to be 49.2 PSI plus or minus 2 PSI. So if you go to check the fuel pressure, it should roughly be from 47 to 51 PSI. And if you need the OEM part numbers, this is what they're going to be. I'll also put links in the description box below to the OEM fuel pump and the OEM starter relay. If you need those, just check the description box below. So next up is going to be the fuse and the fuel pump relay. This fuse box is going to be located up inside the engine bay. If you open up the hood, you're going to find this fuse box up inside of there. The fuse is going to be fuse number 17, and it's going to be a 15 amp fuse. And the fuel pump relay is going to be located right here. One thing to mention with these relays is that if you notice, they all have the same part number on them. So if you think you got a bad fuel pump relay, you can't swap it out with one of these other ones and check to see if that solves the problem. Well, for example, this one right here, I think this is the AC controls. If you swap that out with the fuel pump relay, and the fuel pump starts working, then you know that relay's bad. But right here is going to be the fuse, and right over here is going to be the relay. Next up is going to be the pinouts at the fuel pump connector. This is what's going to be going on with it. If you need any of these diagrams, I'll put a link in the description box below where you can go and get them. But if you look right here, the main pins to pay attention to is going to be pin number 1, that's going to be ground, and pin number 4 is going to be coming from that relay. You also have that fuel pump level sensor inside of there, which is going to be on 2 and 3. But the main pins for power going to that fuel pump is going to be these outer pins right here. Next up is going to be the pins at the fuel pump relay. This is how it's going to be laid out. Next up, I'm going to have some different fuel pump control schematics. And so right here is going to be that fuse number 17. Here's going to be the fuel pump relay. And here's going to be the fuel pump itself. This is going to be that pin number 4 on the plug that's going to the fuel pump. That pin number 1 is going to be going to ground, and pin 2 and 3 is going to be going to that fuel level sensor. Here's another schematic of the fuel pump module circuit. And so again, here's going to be that fuse number 17. Here's going to be the fuel pump relay. It's going to be feeding pin number 4 on the fuel pump. Again, here's ground on pin number 1. Here's the computer and how everything's going to be fed into it. You're going to have the fuel pump relay right here and the fuel level sensor right here. And so that's basically it. If I missed anything, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll come back and try to do another video. If you have any questions, ask me down below and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.